Akintayo Salu, and this is my final project for computer science topics.
That's great. So what do you have there in your hand?
This is a joystick which I connected to the PCRduino, and it measures the X coordinate and the Y coordinate I point the joystick to, and it determines how the robot will move.
Oh, that's fantastic. Great, man. Now, if you just hold down the forward, does it go forward?
Yeah.
So, but you're kind of pulsing it. Can you just like put it in reverse and hold it in reverse? Or?
Yeah, let me see.
Oh, so it does pulse. So there must be a delay in there. That's still very cool. Awesome job.
Thank you.